Welcome to MP Cybersecurity channel. My name is Marius Poskus and I am Vice President of Cybersecurity for a global fintech organization. I just wanted to take the time, guys, to explain and showcase what the channel is about, who am I, where does my expertise lie, what currently videos we have in our channel, and to tell you guys what is in the future in the store for the channel. So first of all, a bit about myself. So I started my career in security operations centers. I was working in security operations for a number of years. Then I moved into security operations center management as well as architecture. I've built security operations centers for organizations to make sure that they can be leveraged to their best ability. After security operations centers, I moved into cloud security engineering and architecture. I've worked with all of the three major clouds, AWS, GCP, and Azure. I also helped organizations to leverage clouds and build cloud adoption models and making sure that security is at core while adopting the cloud. From then on, my career veered into application security and building DevSecOps frameworks for organizations, how we embed security into SDLC and secure development lifecycle, how we automate security into CI and CD pipelines, how we create security champions networks, and how essentially we build a true DevSecOps architecture within an organization to make sure that any development practices are built with security in mind, and how we build security culture in organizations. I also worked in penetration testing, red teaming and purple teaming, so I helped organizations to leverage internal penetration testing, how we build red teaming exercises, as well as, if you guys are not aware, so purple teaming is when organizations leverage blue teaming and red teaming and they work as a together cohesive team that moves into purple teaming. I've been mentoring people who are trying to break into cybersecurity for a number of years, and I developed some of the videos where I share my best practices, my knowledge while mentoring people. There is a number of people that are helped into the industry, so I just wanted to dedicate some of the videos in this channel of helping people to essentially find the path into cybersecurity, clear some of the myths around the industry, and just provide some best practice and guidance. I'm also recently graduated Masters in Digital Forensics and Cybersecurity, and one of my main projects in my dissertation was around MITRE attack. So there is a video series, and I'll showcase in the next slide the video series around that. I'm also a non-executive director for a cybersecurity company, and I help a number of companies to bring cybersecurity products to a small, medium enterprise market. I like working with businesses who are building innovative cybersecurity products. So I try to share some of the wisdom that I have from my expertise and help these organizations build some of the products. So some of the videos that are currently on the channel. So as I mentioned, there is MITRE attack video series. It's essentially a guide that I built for my dissertation, and it breaks down how organizations can build security operations centers using MITRE attack to make sure that these security operations centers are threat aligned, making sure that we address threats, making sure we build mitigations for specific advanced persistent threat groups, how we build MITRE attack heat maps. It's all explained in the videos. I also shared a video about ultimate guide into risk management, just to bring some understanding to people. What is risk management? How do we do risk management? There is 2 videos in a series of how to break into cybersecurity. So first video is dedicated for education, and second video is based on advice of how to build CV, how to prepare for interviews, how to leverage your community, and how to build networks. I also built a video of how we can very easily build a T-pod Honeypot on AWS, and how to get real-time detections for current threats. The newest video series which I'm developing is Center for Internet Security Top 18 Controls, and we are breaking down each control just to give you an understanding how each control could be leveraged and used in an organization. Also, we're just breaking down what is Center for Internet Security and what do they do. And then we have many more videos planned around. I wanted to create a video series around breaking down various cybersecurity career pathways, just to give an understanding, especially for those people who are starting their career in cybersecurity. They not might always be aware of what does penetration tester do, what do digital forensics people do. So we'll do a potentially some interview video series where we talk with cybersecurity experts in each specific niche category in their careers, and just try to break it down. What do they do? How they ended up in that specific career pathway, just to give you some guidance. So if you guys please subscribe to make sure you get notified when the new videos are us. I'm always looking for new videos, new ideas. You can reach out to me via LinkedIn, via my name, or reach out in the comments in my videos. Provide any ideas of the videos you would like to see, any specific expertise I can share with you guys in the new video series. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Check out my videos on the channel and share your views, recommendations, and ideas for new videos.